Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So guys, this is our video 4 of our MongoDB series, and in this video we are gonna see how to find or even compare the already available collections in that particular database, MongoDB database. So guys, before that, if you have not subscribed the channel, do subscribe the channel, and also you can check out my LinkedIn page, and also I have created some services for you all. You can even check out these particular services. So now let's not waste our time, let's dive into our topic. I'll be providing all those services and LinkedIn profile URL in this video description. You can check out that. I'll just open the command prompt. I'll maximize it. Now just search for Mongo sh to activate our Mongoshell. So now the Mongoshell is activated. So here I want to see how many databases are available. Show DBS. About this we have already discussed in the previous videos. If you have not watched that particular video link will be in this video iCard session. You can see here. So now let's start. Okay, we have previously created test.yt database. We'll use that particular database only. Use test.yt, enter. So now it is successfully switched to that particular database. You can see. Now let us see. Firstly, let me to show you all how to find all the available collection in this particular database. For that you have to just use db. db refers to your current database. Dot new was the collection file which we have created previously. Dot, and we'll just give you an option called find. And now if I execute this, it will show you all how many collections are available in this particular database. So these all are the collections which I have created and I have inserted previously. You can see here it has even created some unique object ID for those collections. So this is one method to see all the collections available in that particular database. So I have another method for you all. If you want to only see that particular person, like for example this is RRR movie. In this, if you want to see only the collection related to NTR, for that just nothing, just take the same thing and inside that particular find you have to type here, you have to type its title, right? Title. So title, now title is, and I'll give, sorry, not title, we are just going to find related to hero, right? So I'll give hero, and here we are gonna just type NTR and enter. Okay, I have not closed the flower brace. Now enter. So you can see here it is only showing the collection related to NTR. It is not showing the collection related to Ramcharan. So let us insert some more collections. I'll tell you all why. I'll just insert the collections firstly, then I'll tell you all why. For that, just you need to use a command called db.insert new dot insert many. Okay, M is capital letter, don't forget that, many. And in this insert many we will be inserting multiple collections. So insert many is done, and I'll open brace and I'll open a list because we are inserting many collections, not only one collection. So we need to insert them in the form of list. So here I'll give title again, as this time we'll take something new title, no, or else we'll take the same title, same movie name itself, RRR, comma. Now we'll give hero, again same NTR will come, done. Now so this is done. After this I'll give now horse. So how many hours this particular movie is? Now I'll give here 3. So this is done. You can even insert 3 without the double quotes, it is of your choice. And what else can we give? How many Ours is done, and so we are going to compare, right? So ours, and then what else we can insert? So let me for example take the budget. So how much is the budget for this particular movie? I'll say it is 250 CR. I'm just taking an example. I don't know the proper budgets only. And then after this, now we are going to continue with the next collection. So here we will give the same title as RRR. So done. Now hero, Ramcharan. Okay, then we'll give HR house is equals to, I'll wantedly make a mistake here. I'll give 4 for this, and I'll give budget. I'll make mistake in the budget also. I'll tell you all why. I'll give here 300 CR, and I'll just close the brace and close the list and close this, enter. So these particular collections are now inserted. So I have already shown you all how to find all the collections available using the find method, and how to find only one collection. If you just search for any one particular tile, like for example I have searched here for hero and NTR, only related to NTR you will get. So this is one method to find, and another method will be find one. So let us try with this. If you can see here, I have inserted title RRR multiple times, 1, 2. So if I search for the title, so here in the find session, if I remove this one, if I give title and enter, so you can see here it is showing me nearly 1, 2, 3, 4 collections. You can see here. So now how to find only one collection? We don't need every collection. We don't only need one collection related to that particular name. So RRR, they are nearly 1, 2, 3, 4 collections. For this, what you can use is you have one option called find one, capital O, find one. If you just give db.new.find1, and if you execute this, you can see it will only show you one collection. It will not show you everything. If you don't give one, it will show you multiple collections. So this is one method. You can see all the collections, or else you can see only one collection, or else if you want to see only one particular collection, then you can use this particular object ID and you can see that particular collection. So guys, you can see here, if you use find one, you can only get one particular collection, and if you want a collection which is in between, you can just use the object ID which you have already available for each and every collection. You already know that for each and every collection there will be a unique object ID. So guys, now I'll show you all another example. In essence, you can compare between those two collections. I'll just show you that one example in this video. In the next video, we'll discuss detailedly about that comparison. Okay. So guys, now let me just show you all. I'll take db.new. Actually, we can use the same find operator, and in this I'll remove this, and I'll give, I told you I have wantedly made the mistake in the case of budget and in the case of hours, right? I'll tell you all why that I have made. So find I have given, and in this now I'll give here budget. We'll take budget only. Yeah, we'll take budget. So this particular budget, which is greater than, even you can use these operations like greater than, lesser than, even greater than or equal to. We will be seeing about the detail in the next video. Now I'll just show you all one example about that. Okay, I'll take a dollar symbol, GT greater than I have given 300 crores and 250 crores, right? So we'll give 250 CR, greater than 250 CR. Okay, this should be in double quotes, I guess. So 250 CR, and now I'll close both the brackets and enter. So you can see here which is greater than 250 CR. It is not even considering the 250 CR which I have given for this particular collection. It is directly showing which is greater than that collection. So if you take an you can see here, this is only just 250 CR. It is not showing. For this you have to use greater than or equal to. That we will discuss in the next video. So now I have just given greater than. So it is showing me whichever is greater than 250 CR. So the collection which is greater than 250 CR is obviously this particular collection which is having 300 CR amount, right? You are getting my point. This is the way using which we can compare between two collections, what are the issues, and you can easily get. Don't worry guys, I will be discussing about this in detail in the next video. So that's all guys for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel and keep supporting. Thank you all.